Hi guys, this is Mike again and welcome back to my channel. So today we have another PC build worth 28k. So kanina galing ako sa Mandaluyong. Nag-pick up tayo ng mga in-order nating parts. And normally sa Gilmore ako bumibili. Pero ngayon sa Mandaluyong tayo nakabili ng mga parts kasi doon lang available yung ating case. Si Techware Nexus M, yung white bar yan. And request to ng ating subscriber na nagpa-build. Shoutout nga pala kay Sir Jerome. Siya yung nag-comment sa ating previous video na worth 27k PC build. Kinontak niya ako sa aking social media and yun nga, sinabi niya yung mga gusto niyong parts. Then nagbigay na rin ako ng advice kung ano yung mas maganda. So yun, nagkasundo kami. Ito na yung mga parts na napili namin. So yun nga, sa mga gusto magpa-build sa akin, kontakin nyo lang ako sa aking social media account. Lalagay ko yung link sa description below. So guys, start na tayo sa ating mga parts. Let's start with our processor. Processor na ginamit natin dito is yung Ryzen 3 3100. So yan. And yung motherboard is yung Asus Prime A320MK. Guys, yung RAM na ginamit natin dito is yung Tforce Dark ZA na 16GB, 2 sticks, so 8GB siya. And then CL16 nga pala siya guys, so mabilis siya. So guys, kung bibili kayo ng RAM, make sure na CL16 yung bibilin nyo. Although may mga mura kayong makikita, check nyo kung ano yung cache latency niya. Kasi kung mas mababa siya, like for example this one, CL16, mas mabilis siya dun sa nakalagay CL18. So kung gusto nyo malaman kung bakit, isearch nyo lang yung RAM cache latency sa internet. Malalaman nyo kung bakit mas maganda yung CL16 at yung kung ano yung mas mababang cache latency. Yun guys. So ginamit or gagamitin nating GPU sa ating PC build is yung Gigabyte Rx570. So ito yung 4GB variant niya. Kasi tinanong ko siya kung okay lang ba sa kanya yung 8GB, pero kasi may limit din yung budget, so nag-stick kami dito sa 4GB na variant. Then dun sa storage, ang gagamitin natin is yung Western Digital Green na M.2. So kung nung previous video ko, gumagamit ako ng SSD, ngayon M.2 na siya. So ito, mas mabilis to dun sa normal na solid state drive or SSD na nakikita nyo. So ito, M.2, nakakabit sa board. And yung gagamitin nating power supply dito is yung MWE white ng Cooler Master na 500 watts. So yun guys, pagdating naman sa case, yun nga, so ito yung nahirapan ako, yung si Techware Nexus M na white variant. Gusto kasi nung subscriber natin is yung white setup. So meron na siyang peripherals na white. Then yun, meron akong video nito ng unboxing and review. So panoorin niyo na rin po, separate video siya dito sa ating PC build. So yun guys, proceed na tayo sa ating time-lapse build. Keep on watching.
Prepare for battle.
As you wish. I change tacks. Full sail ahead. As you wish.
Check out the fashion style of the Bucks as they enter the building. Bring out the red carpet. The bronze likeness of Lakers great Magic Johnson that can be found just outside the front door of our location today, the Staples Center. It's the NBA. Welcome to our Sunday night broadcast here on 2K Sports. I'm Kevin Harlan, joined by Chris Webber and Greg Anthony. David Aldridge is our sideline reporter. Hey, Dave.
Hey, Kevin. If you'll allow a DC kid to be a little parochial right now, while there are some basketball hotbeds throughout the world, Prince George's County in the heart of Maryland is among the finest. A litany of NBA players have come from PG, including Kevin Durant, Victor Oladipo, Markelle Fultz, Michael Beasley, and Quinn Cook. KD said, "It's just in the water. This is what we do." Guys?
Most efficient finishers in our league. For a player of his size, he is extremely polished inside. And once he got to the 10, I think he was surprised to find himself that wide open.
Yeah, very little resistance. I mean, you had to bring much faster help than that.
Los Angeles shooting their first free throw of the night here. Free throw, no good for LeBron.
And LeBron...
Audio Jungle.